finish this chair any faster.
We'll help you, Papa.
Thanks for helping out, Cubs. This chair is really starting to come together. Oh, they're back! And now I can't hold my carving chisel steady.
Try holding water in your mouth while putting your fingers in your ears.
Do you think that will work?
It's worth a try.
Where did you hear about that hiccup cure?
I made it up, and I think it's going to work.
No more hiccups!
I've discovered a cure!
Oh, no.
Oops. I guess I didn't discover a cure.
I've got to find some way to get rid of them, or I'll get way behind schedule.
Don't worry, Papa. We'll think of something else. Right, brother? Brother?
Boo!
Not even a headless bear can scare these hiccups away.
Huh? I thought that was going to work for sure.
Try standing on your head. That might work.
Oh, I'll try anything to get rid of these pesky hiccups.
Don't worry, Papa. We've got you.
I can see you're all very hard at work on the chair.
We're trying to help Papa get rid of his hiccups.
I'm spending more time on hiccup cures than I am on getting that chair done.
Well, the squire just called and said that the party is going to be in the afternoon instead of the evening.
What? Oh, now I'm behind schedule by half a day. What about the paint? Doesn't the squire know how long it takes paint to dry?
Well, at least that news scared the hiccups out of you, Papa.
Huh? So it did. So why am I standing here talking? I've got a chair to finish. Oh, I did it. I actually did it. Oh, time for bed. And time for a bedtime snack. Oh, no!
Oh, what's going on?
I don't know what's happening. I just can't get rid of these hiccups.
Oh, I think we should visit Dr. Grizzly tomorrow. It can't hurt to see if there's some reason why you're getting the hiccups all the time.
That's a good idea, especially since we have to go to the squire's fancy party. Oh, I sure don't want to embarrass myself there with my hiccups. Oh, well, good night, dear.
Oh.
There's a part inside your body that helps you breathe, and it's called the diaphragm. It's here at the bottom of your chest. Now, when the diaphragm becomes irritated, it pushes up in a jerky manner, and that's what makes your breath come out in a funny way.
Hiccups!
Exactly.
But what causes my diaphragm to get irritated in the first place?
Different things. Something could be bothering your throat or your stomach. Or sometimes you can get hiccups if you're nervous or excited. Eating too quickly will do it also.
When eating your food, remember to chew. It's not just good manners, it's healthy for you.
Exactly right, sister. It's healthier to eat slowly and chew your food well.
Yes, I suppose I have been eating a little too fast lately.
A little too fast. Goodness, you've been eating like a vacuum cleaner.
I do like to clean off my plate. Oh, look at all the people here. and they're all going to see my work.
Relax, Papa. Everyone's gonna love your chair.
The squire sure knows how to throw a fancy party. These appetizers are so good.
It looks like you're taking Dr. Grizzly's advice about eating your food slower.
Oh, yes. I'm making healthier choices now. This is the last place I want to get the hiccups.
Oh, look! It's time for the gift presentation.
Oh, I can't look.
Happy birthday, dear!
Oh, how lovely! Great.
What a fantastic chair, Papa Bear.
You think you could make me one?
Oh, me too.
As long as you don't need them by tomorrow.
Congratulations, Papa. Your chair is a big hit.
Thank you, dear.
Oh, no! Not the hiccups again.
Just kidding.